This video will take you through the installation of the chime module for your Netatmo Smart Doorbell if you have a standard chime. Please watch the installation video for the Netatmo Smart Doorbell to follow the steps leading up to the chime module installation. Turn off the power at the main circuit breaker before installation. This will keep you safe during the process. Remove your chime cover. If it is powered by two wires, one connected to the transformer and the other connected to the doorbell, like the one shown in the picture, it is a standard chime. On your chime, first loosen one of the screws. Then hook one of the wires from the chime module. Note that there is no polarity in the circuit, so you do not need to worry about which wire you choose. Tighten the screw to hold the wires together. Repeat these steps for the second wire. Make sure the wires are properly secured by gently pulling on them. Once the wires are connected and secured, check the chime module's configuration. To do so, make sure the selectors are in the 1 low position. Put the chime cover back on. Then stick the chime module next to your chime using the two stickers on the back of the module. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your standard chime. You can now continue with the installation of your smart video doorbell.